What happens at sentencing? Magistrates and judges are responsible for deciding what sentence to impose on people found guilty of a crime. They have to take into account many factors such as the facts of the case, punishment, reducing crime, protecting the public, rehabilitating the offender, restorative justice, sentencing guidelines, circumstances of the offender. There are 4 types of sentences available to the courts depending on the seriousness of the crime once a defendant is found guilty. They are discharge. This is when the court decides that given the character of the offender and the nature of the crime, no further action is taken. However, they will receive a criminal record. The court can decide to place conditions on offenders, which means if they commit another crime, this case will be taken into account. Fines. The court can order the offender pays a fine. Maximum fines in a magistrate court is £5,000, but in Crown Court, the fines are unlimited. Community sentences. These combine punishment with activities designed to change the offender's behaviour, such as curfews or compulsory unpaid work. Imprisonment. For the most serious offences, the court may impose a prison sentence. This sentence can be wholly or partially suspended for a set period of time. After a sentence has been passed, in some circumstances, appeals can be logged. This can be done on behalf of the defendant or by the prosecution if the sentence is thought to be too lenient. Many victims whose cases come to court hope that the trial will be the time when everything they've been through will be resolved. Whether the accused is found guilty or not guilty, you still have to deal with the after effects of the crime. You may have put a lot of energy into preparing for the trial and feel exhausted, or you might feel really disappointed with the sentence the accused receives. However you react, we'll be there to support you after the trial if you want us to. To see how Voice can support you, visit our support section on our website.